how to make and create education essay on document on Google Docs PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Google Docs. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is simple, just follow with me. Click on the template gallery, scroll down until you find the education option, and here after you find it, go down, you will find the essay option. Then now choose the template that you want. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one, and click on it, and here you go. Now you can change everything here, for example the name, the pictures, and many other options. And after you finish editing this essay, all what you have to do is go to the top here and click on share. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end. See you later, and thank you so much.